got my little friend with me today. Hello, Bunny, how are you? He says he's very excited. Why is that, Bunny? Because he's got his special hairnet on. Oh, yes, I can see. It's very lovely. What does that do then? Is it for a reason? Why do you have to wear an orange hairnet on your ears? Oh, it's so that his ear fluff doesn't fall into the food. Oh, I see. That's very important. It's very important to be safe with food, isn't it? Now, I've got a hairnet thing on as well. That's trying to keep my hair inside so it doesn't fall into the food. And also, I've got my white coat on. And I used to wear a white coat for work a lot. I mean, nearly every day. Yes, that's right. And what are we going to do today? Oh, we're in Grandma's kitchen and we're going to have a look inside Bunny's fridge. Oh, it's a food hygiene inspection. He's got his list. Now, who's going to do the inspecting? Is it going to be me or is it going to be you? Oh, it's going to be me. Can you see, children? If it's good, it's the top face. If it's okay, it's the middle face. And if it's not very good at all and needs to be improved, then it's the bottom face. So I wonder what we'll do about that. Shall we have a look? Oh, he says we must have washed our hands first. So I've got the sanitizer. I have washed my hands. Have you washed your paws today? Yes, and you washed them just now. Yes, because it's very important to be clean with your hands. Did you wash your other bits like your ears? Yes, he always washes his ears. Right. Okay, are we ready to open the door? Yes. Well, we'll open the door now. Shall we see what we find? Right, opening now. Oh, right. Well, let's just have a look. A closer look. What have we got here? And here. Now, we've got some orange cartons. Bunny says that's for later. Yes. How many have we got? 1, 2. 2 of those. And, oh, we've got some more orange things in here. How many oranges have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. Oh, are they all for you? He says, no, they're for me. Oh, because he doesn't like oranges, because he's a rabbit. Oh, I see, yes. Well, that's very sensible. What have we got in the top drawer? Oh, lots of carrots, yes. And now, inside the fridge, we've got some more carrots. What's that thing at the back? He says it's a thermometer. It tests the temperature of the fridge. That means how cold it is. Oh, I see. And is it supposed to be a proper temperature for carrots? Yes, it says it's a very good temperature for carrots. I'll just check. Yes, that's all right for carrots. But what's this? What's that at the back? Can you see, children? It's... Oh, what are they doing in there? What are they doing? It's a necklace. Bunny says that because they're orange beads, they matched everything. Oh, I see. Well, they don't really need to be in there, but, well, we could take them out because they might be a risk of contamination. Now, shall we have a little look down the bottom? Now, we've got, we've got, some more carrots. Yes, a plate of carrots. And, oh, what are these? What are those? Bunny says that they're flowers. Oh, well, they don't have to be kept in the fridge, do they? And they might be a risk of contamination. So shall we take them out later? Yes, he says he's going to put them in a vase and have them on the table when we have tea with Grandad. Oh, what a good idea. What's this? It's a pen. What's that for? Well, oh, because it's got an orange top, so he thought it matched. Oh, right, okay. Well, it doesn't really need to be in the fridge, does it? And down below here, what's this? Broccoli? Do rabbits eat broccoli? I'm not sure. I think they prefer lettuce, don't you? Yes, I think they do. But they were cheap in the shops. Ah, okay. Well, maybe I'll have them then. And what have we got in the bottom? Oh, another orange and some more carrots and, oh, some beans. I don't think we need the beans, do we? No. And so what do I think? What do I think? Well, let's put you back. Let's just put this back, children, because you're getting a bit dizzy, aren't you, looking in my fridge? Now, Bunny, I think we'll have to do the assessment now. So let's have a little look at the clipboard. I'll shut the door so that the cold air doesn't come out. Hold on a minute, and I'll just do my ticking and thinking about my inspection. Right. Well, the temperature was very good for carrots and fruit, I suppose. Yes. Probably no necklaces in the fridge, even if they are orange. And maybe, well, it looked very clean. So the seals were very clean, and the shelves, it was all very clean and sparkly. What about the pen? Well, we don't always need pens in the fridge, do we? Yes, we need to make notes, but probably not keep them in the fridge because the ink might dry. Yes. How about the flowers? Sometimes flowers are kept in the fridge at the florist's. Yes, I suppose so, but perhaps they'd be better off in a vase. Should we put them in a vase later? Put them in a vase later, yes. All right, we'll put them in a vase. So what do we think of Bunny's fridge? Well, it wasn't quite right. It was sort of middle. So shall we do this one? Yes. So when I come back next time, Bunny, I would like to see less pens, necklaces and flowers in the fridge, and then I think you'll be ready for a gold star. Yes? Would you like a gold star? Yes, it's something to aim for. Yes, I think I'm a very fair inspector. Yes. And you did wash your hands. Oh, well, that's extra points, isn't it? Because points mean prizes. So maybe you'll get a certificate with a gold star on the front of your fridge for when I visit again. Is that enough? Yes, Bunny says he's very tired now and he wants to go and eat some of those carrots because he's been looking at them all morning. Okay, so all right then. Well, I think that's all for now. Shall we say goodbye to the children? Yes, time to say goodbye. See you again.